Can you hear me breathing?
I just need to memorize what I'm gonna say.
My glasses blurry.
Mic check. Don't look in the lights. Don't look in the lights.
Oh.
5 to 7 words when I hear the word woman.
Wow, I gotta think about that.
Powerful.
My mom.
Amorosas.
Say powerhouse.
Nurturing.
Feminist.
My sisters.
Inteligentes.
Strength.
Loving.
Independent.
Capable.
Fuertes.
Resilience.
Unappreciated. I mean, unfortunately, that last one is probably true. Undervalued.
Headstrong.
Caring.
Vulnerable.
Hermosas.
Intelligent.
Determined. Dedicated.
Pacientes.
Ambitious.
Invincible.